Would you like for your EFT sessions to be the best that they can be? What about any kind of healing session? What about if you're about to have a healing session or a psychic session? Would you like it to be just over the top wonderful or mediocre? I vote wonderful. I have 5 clearing techniques that I use that I'm going to share with you. You don't have to use every one of them, but one of them is going to jump out at you and you're going to use it every single time. This not only clears your energy, it clears the client's energy. So whether you're giving or receiving, you want to do at least one of these clearing techniques. Now, I've been doing this a long time and I found that you just do better when your energy is balanced, when your energy is clear. Click the link below and get yours right now so you can go from ordinary to extraordinary, and your clients are gonna brag on you. Not only that, but if you're getting a healing session, you're gonna brag on yourself because you took the time to make your sessions so much better than ordinary. Why be ordinary when you were born to be extraordinary? Rebecca Marina, EFT expert. Click the link below so you can get it now.